back with another dollar haul video. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to those who are new. If you are new, please be sure to hit the subscription button below. I make weekly videos on lifestyle with Dollar Tree hauls every other Monday. Anyhow, went to the Dollar Tree and I decided that from now on, I'm probably going to do like a little walkthrough for you guys to showcase some things that I don't really want to buy or may not really be interested in, but you might be interested in them. So that's what I'm going to do from now on, and that's what I did. So I did a walkthrough, and I'll insert that clip right here. Okay, guys, you want this 4th of July stuff? It's here at the Dollar Tree. Plates, balloons, napkins, all your decorations. I'll try and walk slow, but yeah, look at that. They even had the little wings for the little kids to walk around with. Necklaces. These are really nice. I like those. And yep, there go the scarves and the socks. Shout out to a fellow Dollar Tree hauler for showing me that they had socks. Let's see. These are neat in case you have like a little project. You could glue those on like a cork board and use them to hold your little notes. Now that's cool. Got your little paint supplies. Remember, school's almost out, so the kids will need something to do, so that's perfect. Got a little Disney characters for the pastels and primary colors. Sketch pads. Here are the perfect little containers to keep all of that in. They have flip-flops. Those of you who like to wear flip-flops in the spring and the summer. They even have little house shoes now. Hadn't seen these before. And for your grilling, you got the ketchup and mustard containers, grill cleaners. I mean, what is this? Yeah, the corn on the cob holders. They have some new aluminum pans with the colorful lids now. Let's see, they got pink, blue, purple. Garden supplies out. Spray nozzles, gloves. Oh, flower stakes. Wind chimes. Some of these are really pretty. Glass and bells and metal. You have seeds for some of you gardeners out there. Your LED string lights, little pavers, hummingbird feeders, little LED garden lights, solar lights. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you saw some things that you may be interested in purchasing. Let's see. We had barbecues, the stuff you need to grill and all of that. We had 4th of July stuff, some little comfort stuff, slippers and socks and all that good stuff. And a couple other things like for the kids or whatnot. Anyhow, let's get right into the haul. Today's haul is going to be a pretty small haul. I only really go to the Dollar Tree to get things that I may know for a fact that I'm going to use or that I need or that somebody else may be looking for that I could get for them. Anyhow, I just got a few items, 5 items, yeah. So it's going to be a really quick haul, guys. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Let's see, first thing is the Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations Carpet Odor Eliminator. And this one is in the Island Mist scent. I use this a lot for the simple fact that it's Arm & Hammer and I got it for $1. And they also have a pet odor one, which is pretty good in case you guys have like little dogs or cats running around. The scent is not that overpowering, and it has like a little spout where you could like open it and seal it. I just keep it up under the cabinet for whenever I get ready to vacuum, and it works pretty great. Second, I got, oh, I had to turn it the wrong way. A fan. So, got this fan. They had, I keep turning it the wrong way. They had quite a few colors actually in there. And these were right in the area where they had like the little Mother's Day gifts and the little pamper stuff. That was there. And this one looks like it's a little, is that a little broken? No, it's not broken. Anyhow, I had quite a few of these. These are nice to keep like in your purse or in your car. For those of you, you know, who get a little bit overheated, might be going through the change or something. Make a good little addition to your Mother's Day baskets or birthday baskets or whatnot. And next, let's see. Some eyeglass lens wipes. I hadn't seen these before, but they're good for, let's see, your glasses, your cell phones, camera lenses, and there are 16 individually packaged wipes in here. So I'm gonna take half of them, put them in my purse, and the other half and keep them in the car. And now that I know that they're here, I'll go ahead and probably pick up another couple packs, because those of you guys who rely on the other set of eyes, you know how it is when you have just a little smudge on your lenses. It's like horrible. Let's see. Next, little massager. And usually you find these are like Bed Bath & Beyond. They're like $3 and $4. They have these for $1. I think they had this color. It's like a, I'm not sure how it's showing up on camera, but it's like a little seafoam green color. And they have purple, blue, and I think pink. But I went ahead and picked this one up. It's always good to have a little massager, you know. I can't reach. I can't reach. Anyhow, this is like a must-have. A must-have. And lastly, is that it? Yeah. Final item are these cups, the Take It To Go cups. I'm not, is that showing up the right way? Let's see. It says Take It To Go, and there are 2 cups in here with 2 lids. And just make sure that you have this red sticker on it, because some of them look like they have been separated. But they're BPA free, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and they are reusable. And they have the little spout just like a coffee cup that you would get someplace else like Starbucks. And they are plastic, and they have a little air hold and the caution sign on it and everything. Anyhow, I thought that these were really cute. I saw them in another color a couple weeks ago, and I should have picked them up, but I didn't get them. But this is fine. So I think that I'll probably use this as opposed to trying to buy like the paper cups. So they do sell the paper cups at like Costco and Walmart, where you get them like in 20 and 50 packs with the lids. But this one being reusable, I think this is the best option. So if you are a coffee or a tea drinker, I'm a tea drinker, so yeah. I think that was a great find. Anyhow, that was it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a couple weeks. And yes, be sure to subscribe to this channel. This is a lifestyle channel, so I make all kinds of content, hauls, vlogs, shop with me, try-ons, all that good stuff. So if you guys have any video ideas for me, any questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment field below, and be sure to click the notification bell so that you can be updated when I upload videos. Anyhow, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day and a beautiful life, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.